In this video, I'm going to teach you a very useful tutorial on how to install Epson L3115 printer driver in your Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's begin. First of all, you need to open your Google Chrome. Once you've opened it, please proceed here at Epson L3115 printer driver, and there you can see Epson L3115 under epson.com as the first result. Click on it. Once you've clicked on it, you would be navigated here at tabs on L3115. Okay, kindly wait until you get a drop down menu where you can manually select the operating system. So here you'll be able to see a drop-down menu. Click on this down arrow key and select for Windows 11. However, if this printer driver is not available for Windows 11, just select for Windows 10 64-bit since Windows 10 64-bit works well 100% with Windows 11. So click on the Go button here and kindly wait until you'll be able to refresh the page where you can see again the list of driver. Okay, so please scroll down and kindly wait until everything would be showing up where we can download the printer driver that we would like to install. Now, once it's here, you'll be able to see L3110 Windows X64 printer driver. Now, you may wonder why it appears here L3110 instead of L3115. The reason is that L3110 supports Ekatank L3115. So basically, they are the same. So click on this download button aligning to it, and that way you'll be able to be navigated to a new page where here you'll be able to agree on the license agreement. Click on accept, and once you do it, you can now start the downloading process. Okay, so once done, you just have to copy and move that to the desktop. In my case, I have already downloaded this one and I have it placed here at the desktop. So the next step that you need to do is you need to double tap to extract or unzip the file, or either make a right click and use the WinRAR tool to extract this one. So go with the WinRAR and go with extract to L3110. So kindly wait until you'll get to see or you'll get to create a new file folder here, and once it's here we will now proceed to the installation. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do subscribe and give this video a thumbs up so you won't miss any of our upcoming tutorial. So by that, you need to proceed here at the start, make a right click, scroll up and click on settings. Okay, now here at the settings, please proceed to the left pane. Okay, you can see there a list of the option. Please locate with the option which is called the Bluetooth and devices. And the moment you have bring up the Bluetooth and devices section, navigate directly to the printers and scanners, and there you can see an option called add device. Click on it and wait until you can see another option which is add manually so that you can find a printer by other options. Click on it. So there you can see this kind of window. Please choose for either local printer or network printer with manual settings. Click on the next button. Click on this down arrow. Can use among of this three USB port. So it could be one, two, or three. Go with the next button here. And then you need to go in the hub disk and click on the browse. So since our extracted file has been placed at the desktop, then we need to navigate that. And then from that, you need to scroll down there. You can see the extracted file, double tapped again, double tapped, and there you have that. The two drivers, select any of that, click on the open, click on the OK button, and there you have it. So go with next, and please rename that into Epson L3115 for easy identification. Go with the next button, and you can now start the installation. Kindly wait until this will be done. Okay, so once done, please click on next. Go with finished, and there you have that. You have just successfully installed Epson L3115 printer driver in your Windows 11. Now, if you think this video had helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. So thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.